Alright guys, so what do you say today we fix the seatbelt buckles in the old GMC, or as Jimmy calls it, the junkyard dog. Let me get this camera turned around and I'll show you the old ones and what I'm dealing with the old ones. Alright, now here's the one on the driver's side. It completely just blew out. There's a piece of it right there. And the one on the passenger side is actually starting to do the same thing. Once this outer cover comes off of that, it just falls apart. So we're gonna get those changed out, and yeah, then it should be all right. Okay, so this is just a T50 Torx, and we're going right there, right at that bolt right there. All right. So let me get that out, and we'll get the new one in. I took the other ones out at the salvage yard. These bolts are really long. Too long for what they need to be, really. There's the bolt. And the only thing left to do is I got to deal with this wire and shove it up through the seat. Yep, there you go. Driver's side's in. Like I said, it doesn't match, but doesn't make any difference. I'm looking for functionality. I'm not trying, like I said, I'm not trying to make a show truck out of a work truck. So, all right. Well, there you go, guys. Driver's side's in. It's not hard. I just wanted to do it real quick just to show you how to do it. It's just that T50 Torx bolt, and you just pull it through the seat, put the other one in, and you bolt it in. So that easy. Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you in the next one. Take it easy.